Guys, welcome back to my channel. I thought I'd do a little chit chat video with you guys, and while I do my nighttime skincare routine, I actually just packed because I'm about to leave. I'm actually really excited. So I'm leaving Europe for a while. I'm keeping it a secret where I'm going. Put in the description box, can you put in the description box where you think I'm going or where you hope to see me go soon. You guys know I'm on this mission to visit all the countries in the world. So yeah, that's what we're doing. I actually just packed. I got rid of this is something I do all the time. I recycle clothes. So I'll buy a certain amount of clothes, I'll use them, get rid of them. Buy a certain amount of clothes, use them, get rid of them. So I just got rid of 50% of my clothes, which is how I live my life, being that I travel full time. So I hope to, or I will get new clothes going. So yeah, you guys will see me in country 138 on Sunday. Mark your calendars. Make sure you're subscribed because I'll be in country 138 on Monday. Yes, that's what I just said. So I thought I'd just do my little nighttime skincare routine with you guys. I'm noticing. So I'm about to go to sleep. It's late at night. I'm going to do my skincare routine and just talk to you guys because yeah, why not? Go in my everyday face wash or oil cleanser. I love this oil cleanser from Beauty of Johnson. I've been using this for over a year. It's my first cleanse. So yeah, I'm super excited. The country I'm going to tomorrow. I'm so excited, you guys. Look at them. Okay, so that's my first cleanse. It always makes my eyes red. Hold on. And spinach superfood cleanser. Do cleansers specifically because they're so clean. The ingredients are very clean. Okay, now I'm gonna wash my face. I have a little thingy right here. Okay, now that there's nothing on my face is totally clean. Then I go in with my favorite product of all time. This is the rice milk. It's rice water from Beauty of Johnson. And put it on a little cotton. Okay, face is washed. I just put my rice toner on. Oh. I wipe it on my face. I also pat it. Boom. That is my nighttime skincare routine. I actually don't put on, after I do my rice toner, I literally cover my face in rice corn. I just cover my face in oil. Literally, I put oil all over my face. And my oil treatment on at night. If you guys haven't heard about AngelHair, this is looking darker on screen. This oil is pulling darker. In real life, this is more of a lighter yellowish color. It looks really dark on camera right now, but this is my AngelHair Vanilla Growth Oil. If you don't know about it, this is my hair growth oil, you guys. Hair growth and hair health oil. It has got castor oil and rosemary, coconut, sweet almond, argan, vitamin E, clove, jojoba, olive oil, orange peel, botana oil, boab oil, and vanilla bean. This is insane, you guys. And we got a review the other day. I screamed when I saw the review, and this amazing lady said that she got the oils and immediately her hair was feeling better. Oh my gosh, I screamed. I love hearing reviews from you guys. But yeah, after I'm done, my skincare. I always put oils on my hair. My hair's frizzy today because it was really hot and humid today, so my hair is like a mess. But yeah, like I said, I am going to a new country tomorrow. I don't want to give too much away. Yeah, I kind of love the oil on. But this country isn't known for being very safe. And I'm obviously solo traveling the country. I solo travel. We'll see how everything goes. I think that's one reason I came back to Europe, is because I spent literally the majority of 2025 abroad. I just wanted to feel like at home. So it's been amazing being here, but it's time to go. We have 58 more countries to visit, so I've got to get them finished. So yeah, and oh yeah, some exciting news is I'm going to be traveling again with my brother. I haven't traveled with my brother in years. I'm talking years. And he got married and everything like that, and I haven't seen him in such a long time. And so I asked him to join me for my birthday. My birthday is December 25th. My birthday's Christmas, so he's gonna come out with his wife and see me for my birthday, which is super exciting, which obviously is going to be in Japan. I spend every birthday in Japan, basically, for the most part. I spend my birthday in Japan. So yeah, that should be very exciting. Him and his wife are going to join me for my birthday, which is like, I'm so excited. So that's exciting news. But we have so much to do before that even comes. Before my birthday, before Christmas. You know, we're going to be visiting so many countries in between now and then, but I thought that was really exciting, and we're starting to plan everything. And I was so surprised when I asked him, because he's a newlywed, I figured he's not going to want to come, but I was like, let me just throw it out there and ask him anyways. And he said yes. I don't know why I always have to do my edges before bed, but I do. And by the way, I don't use anything on my edges. I just use the oil that I put on my hair. So what I do is like, I take the oil, rub it on my head, and then kind of just, I don't know why I have to do my edges before bed, but I have to. Also, I'm kind of coating them in the oil, so it helps them get moisturized, if that makes sense. So yeah, that's my nighttime routine. 2 nights a week, I use my hair growth oil. The vanilla hair growth oil smells like vanilla butter. It smells like vanilla cream. The smell's amazing. And it's all natural. It's from that vanilla bean and the coconut oil and the boab oil. It just smells amazing. And the clove. And this is my rice water. I use this twice a week. So I'll rotate twice a week with the oil, twice a week with the rice water. Scalp repair, moisturizing. Scalp repair, moisturizing. Scalp repair, moisturizing. So yeah, I rotate with the AngelHair rice water and the AngelHair vanilla growth oil. Like I said, it looks really dark on camera, but it's a bit lighter in color in real life. They're both on my website, AngelHairByMaryjane.com. Stay tuned, because these are what we have on the site right now, but there's more coming. And before I go to bed, I always take the vanilla growth oil. If you guys have been following me for any time, you know I always put oil on my face. So before bed, I will literally cover my face in this oil. I don't want to do it right now because I will look crazy, but it's what I do right before I go to bed. I literally cover my face in the oil because it's so good. We'll do a little bit. But I go to bed looking like this. I'm not even kidding. Like, this is how I look before I go to bed. The oil is so good. just cover yourself in it. You'll smell so good. But anyways, yeah. So very exciting stuff. My brother's joining me in my travels again. My brother Josh. Even though he's a married man and everything, I thought that was so cool that he's going to be joining me for my birthday, but that's so far in the future. I'm going to country 138, a whole different continent, far away from Europe. I'm going there tomorrow. You guys will see me on Sunday in country 138. AngelHair. Get yourself something, you guys. From AngelHair, you're going to love it. And if you, maybe you're like, I'm not into hair oils, get it for your girlfriend, get it for your cousin, get it for your sister. I think you're going to love it, and you'd be supporting your girl who's out here trying to help you guys. I really think I made amazing stuff though, so it's not even about supporting me. I really think these products are amazing and they're going to transform your hair. I mean, they work for me. So baby, listen, I cover myself in this oil. I'm not even kidding. So yeah, is there anything else I wanted to say? Stay tuned. Make sure you have your notifications on. Make sure you're subscribed. I look like a glazed donut. I'm going to go to sleep. I have to get up and head to the airport. I love you guys. Drop in the comments where you hope to see me. And maybe I will go there. I'll make sure I go there this year. But I am on a mission to visit every country in the world. So I'll go to every country, because sometimes I get comments like, MJ, are you going to go here? If it's a country, I'm going. So yes, I will eventually be in every country. So yeah, we're going to finish, not this year, we're not going to finish this goal, but next year. So I'm going to go to bed. I'm looking like a glazed donut. I have to get up and get to the airport. So I love you guys so much, and I'll see you very, 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 very soon. And make sure you get something on AngelHair. Love you guys. See you tomorrow.